Mauna Loa Visitor Center, and there are free samples and a gift shop. On our drive here, there were facts about this plantation and about the Mauna Loa macadamia nuts, and this plantation is 2,500 acres big, and there are 250,000 trees here, and there are also 12 different flavors. Also, the macadamia nut is the hardest nut to crack. There's also a place where you can sample, and this place also has a lot of flavors that you won't get from other stores. Here they also sell Kona coffee and Kona coffee blends. We're going to a self-guided tour now. This is a canning machine, and on the left, that is where they store the macadamia nuts. This machine right here is where the macadamia nuts are packaged into either bags or into cans below. Right here, you can have a nature walk, and you can also have a self-guided factory tour.